And I like to think of data storytelling as a combination of three critical elements. So we have data, narrative, and visuals. Probably no surprise there, right? You're expecting that. Now, the interesting thing is that when we look at the intersections of these bubbles, we start to get a better sense for why data storytelling is so powerful. And so, starting with data, say you have a spreadsheet or a data table that you're going to share with somebody, I could give that to you and pray that you would interpret that the right way and that you would come away with the same conclusions that I had. But typically what we need to do, we're not going to leave that to chance, because we know that people can maybe potentially view things differently. Maybe they can not understand or misinterpret the data. And so we're going to combine that with narrative, and we're going to help explain the numbers to the audience. And that's really critical there. The other thing that we do with the raw data is, if I gave you a spreadsheet or a data table, there's a good chance that you're not going to see anomalies in the data. You're not going to see patterns or trends. And so what do? We visualize that data to show the patterns in the data, to show the anomalies and help it come to life for the audience. And so that combination of data and visuals really enlightens them to new things that they wouldn't see in the data without those visuals.